This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Cruze. It has a 1.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a convenience package, a navigation system, a turbocharger, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a power driver's seat, and XM satellite radio which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering Moritz Chevrolet for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 9101 Camp Bowie West in Fort Worth.